Tawon.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, so I'm pretty sure that I didn't do like a proper intro for this video, but we're at Idumota Market. Idumota Market, that's where we are. So yeah, we're about to enter there right now. So we just got, y'all, I took public transport. Like I took the bus in Nigeria. Like I'm really living a local life this time. I'm just gonna like take y'all along with me while we go inside of the market. I might not be able to vlog absolutely everything, but I'll try to get absolutely everything I possibly can. This place kind of reminds me of New York.
Yeah, okay.
Like certain parts of New York. Yeah, like in the way like how all the sellers are on the corners and stuff. It's just like that there.
This is where you get everything fabric. Everything. Go like that.
Yeah, it seems like it's really big. Like the market.
Yeah.
Seems like it's big.
Big,
like
very
yeah, like
big.
there's a lot of stuff.
Very big.
Wow.
Me, I'm going straight to Mandela. That's my own side.
What's that?
Yeah, it's investigation. Mail, stuff, everything.
So you want to get stuff for your festival?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't wear weave. This is my hair. Sorry.
Makeup. All of them.
No, not that. So my experience in this market so far has been crazy. First of all, it's hot. Second of all, it's sellers literally everywhere. They grab you, they touch you, stick stuff in your face, like something that I definitely got to get used to. But yeah, and as y'all can see, it's really hot. So right now we're in here trying to buy like caftans, which are kind of like loose, flowy, casual little dresses that you can wear.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I want to see it. You don't have a mirror?
Oh. You cannot see it though.
It's a video. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. My friend.
Okay.
Auntie Miriam, kí ló ń jẹ?
Àmàlà. Ṣé wàá jẹ?
No.
Àmàlà ni ó dùn ó ṣara lóore.
This is so light. I thought amala was like brown.
There is someone that is black and there's so
But it tastes the same.
yes.
These are cheaper.
Oh yeah, she needs 5.
So guys, I got one of Nigeria's best street foods. This is called boli. It's basically like roasted plantain. It's really good. We are finally finished at the market. It's so crazy at this market. Like, and one thing I found out about this place is that it's like one big market, Idumota market, but then it's other markets like within, like Balogun Market and other ones. But what?
We didn't get inside the Idumota.
Oh Jesus! What market were we at?
Balogun Marina.
That's where we
Balogun
were.
Market.
We didn't get into Idumota Market because it's too far inside.
Okay. So Idumota Market was too far inside, but we got to Balogun Market and a couple of other ones. What? Oh my goodness, y'all. Auntie Miriam is being shy. She don't want to be on my channel. Anyway, we didn't make it inside of Idumota Market because this whole entire place is huge. Like, you have to walk deep before you can like really get into where it is that you want to go. It's hard to get into everything at one time. So now we're on our way back to Ikorodu. Believe it or not, I have a flight to catch in the evening, and I'm not even close to home, but we're gonna make it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this vlog, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.